everyone, my name is Jeevita. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is SSL International School. Today we are going to tell about nature of matter. We see several materials in our daily life and use few of them. These materials are also called as matter. These materials are not just like one another, but if you observe keenly, the characters of these materials appear similar. Everyone is eager to know what are the concentrations of these materials, what are the common characters of these materials. Now my friends, Varsha and Babita tell us about hard things and soft things. Can you touch and tell whether it is hard or soft? Yes, it is soft. Can you touch and tell whether it is hard or soft? Yes, it is hard. Can you touch and tell whether it is hard or soft? Yes, it is soft. Basically, materials are called as matter. Matter is made up of small particles. The smallest pieces of matter is called as particles. Particles present in the matters are invisible. Matter is made up of very minute particles. Invisible matter contains invisible particles.
Thank you, Diksha. There are two properties of matter: occupied space. Matter has mass. Now I would like to call Jeevita and Akshita.
Now we are going to show an activity of matter has mass. Now we will show an activity matter occupies space. By this we understand matter occupies space.
Now I would like to call my friend Dikshita about state of matter.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. States of matter. Matter is dignified in its three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, particle are decently and are fairly arranged. Example: stone, iron, and etc. I want to call my friend Chaitanya. Tell about liquid.
Thank you, Dikshita. In liquids, the particles are closely arranged when compared to solids. Example: water, milk, etc. Liquid takes the shape of its container but does not change in size. Now my friend Manvi tell about gases.
Thank you, Chaitanya. In gases, the particles are rarely arranged. Example: air, smoke, etc.